guys. All right, we're gonna finish up our science for the week. It's Friday, March 20th. It was so good to see some of you guys on our little video chat that we did. We'll definitely do another one next week. Hopefully, if some of you didn't get to participate, maybe you'll get to do it next week because it was really fun. So we're gonna look at this last science activity for the week. We're still talking about building ramps and inclined planes and things. So this is just a really quick activity where you're filling in the blank, you're checking one of these pictures and answering the question, and then there's another one at the bottom where you're answering a question. So I did get some questions about the vocabulary. So let's take a look. So force is whatever you have to apply to an object to get it to move. So if you take the pencil that you have right now and you push it across the table, you're applying force to that pencil to get it to work. To get it to move. And work, it's however much you have to do to get something to move. So if you have to push a chair under the table, that's going to take more work and more force than it would be pushing your paper across the table. Okay? An inclined plane, what we talked about most of the week, it's usually a diagonal object that helps when you're moving something up it and makes moving things and using that force easier. Simple machines are anything like levers or inclined planes, anything that you would use to move something else. And then distance is obviously just how far or how short of a distance you're moving something. All right, sorry, Ella woke up, so she's here doing science with us right now. So, all right, let's take a look at what you need to do here. So we're just using these vocabulary words to fill in the blanks. So just think about what's going to make sense there. Chandra needed to carry a heavy box up a flight of stairs. To make the blank require less effort, she made a ramp. This ramp, or blank, was a board that she laid over the steps. It was an example of a blank. The blank from the bottom of the ramp to the top was 10 feet. Chandra applied blank and moved the box up the ramp. So read it carefully, listen to it carefully, maybe pause the video in between and see what words are going to make sense there. Try putting a word in the blank and reading it as a complete sentence and see if it makes sense. If it doesn't, it's probably not the right answer, right? All right, let's look at the next two. So for question B, check the box below the ramp that makes it easier to move the piano. So which of these ramps make it easier to move the piano? Think about if you were this guy pushing this piano. Which ramp would make moving that piano easier? See, this one's longer, but this one is at a higher angle. So think about it. Which one would make moving that piano an easier job? And then for C down here, in your own words, explain how inclined planes make work easier. So you just need one sentence there about how an inclined plane would make work easier. You can start it out something like this. Inclined planes make work easier by, and then you finish it. So you can use that as a sentence starter. Inclined planes make work easier by, and then you finish it. How does this inclined plane help this guy move that piano? You can use that as an example there. Okay? If you have more questions or still are unsure about some of the vocabulary, please message me and I can give you a call or message and see if I can help clear any of that up. But if that's it, then you are done for the week. I hope you enjoy Saturday and Sunday and you just take it easy. Find something fun to do, a puzzle or a game or something fun with your family. And just, relax. You guys have worked hard this week. I know it's been weird. But enjoy your days off, and then I will make more videos for you on Monday. So have a great weekend, guys.